real-time bookkeeping is absolutely game-changing for real estate investors for a number of reasons. First, real-time bookkeeping gives you that ability to respond to any potential issues or problems quickly. So if you have a property that is maybe giving you a little trouble, if your books are up to date, that's easy to spot quickly. You can address the issue. For example, if you have a tenant who maybe isn't paying and you have a number of properties, so you just maybe haven't noticed that that tenant hasn't paid, it will be very obvious when you're looking at your books. When you see that rental income number is quite low, you can figure out what the issue is and address it timely. If you're waiting until a year later to do your books, that's potentially an issue that you wouldn't catch for a year. Next reason it's really important to do your books timely is that so you can proactively use your budget or your forecast. A lot of times when we're starting a new year as a business owner or we're buying a new property, we're setting up an annual budget or forecast, and you really can't track how you're doing against that forecast if your books are not done timely. So having your books up to date every month will allow you to look at a month to date, a year to date budget versus actual to see kind of where are you overspending based on what you expected, and then you can adjust accordingly. Another reason it's really important to be doing your bookkeeping timely is to reduce errors. I hear this from potential clients all the time that they don't remember what the transactions were for a year ago. It's really, when you're doing your bookkeeping every single month, it's easy for me to just say, okay, hey, what was this transaction for? And you remember it off the top of your head, meaning your books are going to be 100% accurate because you're not trying to jog your memory as to when something happened or what that expense was for, which is really important when it comes to having accurate books. And then the last reason it's really important to have your books up to date timely is so that you have streamlined tax and filing. Tax season is stressful for all business owners, and if your books are up to date each month, that stress completely goes away. You'll be the first one to have your books over your tax CPA. You'll be ready to have those discussions to optimize your tax strategy.